All right, this morning we're going to do a few problems. I'm hoping you can watch them and they'll get you ready for your test today. Go ahead and copy this down. Okay, so let me switch this to podium view. Remember, we have properties of logs. It says if we have a log of a product, I can write that as a sum of the logs. Well, consequently, if I'm adding logs to the same base, and here I have base 10, I can collapse them to a product. So I can take the left-hand side and rewrite that as the log of the quantity x minus 3 times x plus 2 equals the log of 4x. The logarithms are isolated on both sides. They both have the same basis. Because logarithms are one-to-one functions, the only way these can be equal is if their arguments are equal. So I know that x minus 3 times x plus 2 has to be 4x. This side is okay right now. I need to work on the left-hand side. If my memory is correct, that's x squared minus x minus 6 is 4x. Subtracting 4x, x squared minus 5x minus 6 is 0. Now I'm going to pause this video. What I want you to do is factor that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and factored. I believe it's 6 and 1 are the factors. By the zero product property, x is 6 or x is negative 1. Now look, don't just assume this is right. Go back to your initial equation, because remember, this is not our initial equation. This is like, I think of it as an auxiliary equation. It may or may not give me my answers. It may give me what's called extraneous answers. And this one, when I start seeing things and I'm factoring out, I got addition here. Look, I get a negative 1. On this side, negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Can you take the log of a negative number? No, you cannot. So that's not possible. It was extraneous. Now let's check this side. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, that's 6 minus 3 is, I believe, 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here, 8 times 3, is that 24? It is. So there is my one answer. Now I'm going to check it with Inspire. Give me 1 second, please, while I pull it up. I've already done this. You can see initially I entered the equation, and then I went and used the solver, and I have verified there is one answer, and it is 6.